Hello, my name is Edison Duquino and Technology Evaluation Negotiation UNAT. Step prepared technology negotiation. Head and grant document for and commercialization of the software developed by company The Software Colombia. 11. Write and the first results for Edison Duquino Verano. Percentage of the real and 13 license and 14 who in authorizing the if 11 in the event that option holder proposes to self-pay or do website transfer and the third party the share acquired under this agreement and the interested should share in the company will have and the right or perform high and respect to hand to and sharp. 12. Shop and the license for Edison Duquino Verano. Apply to end the community charge to will and licensure is the subject and grant established and necessary permits for its execution and the activities that the claims deem appropriate, writing in the establishing permits. 13. For Edison Duquino Verano. We had and the period of the 1 month, the length will be renewed annually, be mutual consequent. Writing, the applicant and the following right are the considered to the license, shown and modifying technology. 14. For Edison Duquino, elements protein software of library working were identified were in this exercise of the comparative law. Wording of the license patents. Edison Duquino Verano. The main thesis of the intellectual property trademark, patents, copyrights, and the same now trade secrets, software, and database. Thank you.